Check it out. Here at Primal Eats, we are always trying to make ourselves better, make our products better, to serve you better. And a new way to make the pizzas has come up over the past couple of days. Simon, what are we doing different?
So what we're doing different is we're making the pizzas bigger, putting more toppings on. This is probably 30% more toppings than we used to have. The pizzas are coming out as a great size. They almost barely fit in the box. Taste amazing, thinner crust.
I say, why did you make the pizza bigger? Why did we do that?
Because bigger is better.
Bigger is better.
Bigger is always better.
You must be from Texas.
I am from Texas.
You helped come up with this new way of doing the pizzas. We're stretching that dough out, making it thinner. What is that doing for the crust in the center of the pizza?
In the past, we've had some problems with the toppings falling off.
Yeah.
We won't have that problem anymore. They'll be nice, stay on there when they're running into the deep hole.
Because we don't want you eating a pizza with a fork.
Yeah.
Come on, right? I love the fact that your family started this place and you're putting the interest into it, your attention to detail to bring better products to the customer, because that is what makes this place totally primal. So Simon, thank you so much.
Thank you so
You're
much, Dave.
Great man. Come out to Primal Eats, check out the new pizza. It's the same great Polish recipe. We're just stretching that crust out, make it a little bit thinner. Come on down and feed your instincts.
At Primal Eats.
Primal Eats.
Let's keep spinning and grinning, baby.
Spinning and grinning.